click on the Administration and Services menu. Next, click on the Administration menu. Continue to open the Upgrade menu. Here you have two options, including Online Upgrade and Local Upgrade. First, we will try with Online Upgrade. You can click on the Check for Update button to check the latest firmware version that the supplier is willing to upgrade for your devices. Then you will see a list of many firmware versions that can be upgraded for your devices. You will choose the most suitable firmware and then click the Upgrade button to perform this process. You need to pay attention if you selected the Automatically Reboot the System option will automatically reboot all APs. After the firmware update process is complete, if you do not select Automatically Reboot the System, after the 100% upgrade process, you will choose to reboot the system with the Restart button at the time you want. Now we come to the process of updating the firmware that has been downloaded and saved on the PC or laptop with a local upgrade option. First, we check to see which firmware version we want to update. Then go to Google to search for that firmware version. Or you can go directly to the website https support.ruckuswireless.com software to find it. After finding the firmware you need to download, you need to have a support account registered with Ruckus for free. After you have your firmware, you return to the Unleashed web interface to continue updating the firmware for your device. You select the local upgrade item, then select the browser button of the Select Image File S and Upgrade item. The upgrading process is 100%. Then you click Upgrade to complete this update process, or you can click Cancel to cancel this update.